This part is located on many BMWs at the top of the engine, at the front of the engine, in the valve cover. And this O-ring here tends to leak, and you'll see a bunch of oil coming out around this area, very wet surface. So I decided to replace this O-ring, and when I was removing this valve, the securing part broke off. And this is a very old part. It's a 1992 BMW E36 325i, and I decided to give it a shot to get it repaired. So I took a keyring and I bent it into this shape so it fits over the nipple and extends beyond the surface here. So when you finished bending this wire, the thickness of the wire should be extending just over the edge of this surface. If you put something flat on it, the opening here should be right at the edge of that surface. So anyway, I used the keyring first, and then I found some wire that is not sticking to the magnet, which means it will not rust, and it's a little bit more pliable than the keyring wire. It's a little bit easier to work with. So I bent it like this, fit it in here, and then I took some piece of an old hose, put it in here, and then I taped it over so it's all secured, and the wire is flat to that surface, mating surface. Then I took a silicone glue. In this case I used shoe glue, a black color. Any sports store will have that, or automotive glue you can buy it at any hardware store. So once I did this, I put some glue around here to cover up the wire, and waited overnight, and it's all done. Now I installed two O-rings because I couldn't find the right size of the O-ring, so I installed two rings and O-rings, and they do fit pretty snug, so it will work well. And I already tried to put this into the valve cover, and it clips in very easily and securely. Also, when you use this type of wire, it is not going to rust. It will last much longer than the keyring wire, and it's a little bit easier to work with. You can really bend this with your fingers. You can use any stainless steel wire. So this is all complete, and can be used for many years to come.